Today I'm here in Poinsettia Heights, one of Fort Lauderdale's most well-located residential neighborhoods. Situated just north of downtown, this community offers a balance of peaceful suburban living with quick access to the city's best amenities. Poinsettia Heights has a distinct character. The homes here reflect a blend of classic mid-century Florida architecture and modern updates, and the community itself has a welcoming, well-established feel. Let's go take a look at what makes this area special. Poinsettia Heights was originally developed in the late 1940s and 50s, and many of the homes still reflect that era's quality craftsmanship. You'll find mostly single-family homes, many of which have been updated with contemporary finishes while maintaining their original character. One thing that makes this neighborhood stand out is its layout. The streets are lined with mature trees, the homes aren't built too close together, and there's a natural flow to the area that makes it feel inviting. Unlike some newer developments where everything looks the same, Poinsettia Heights has a variety of home styles, giving each property a unique appeal. Beyond the homes themselves, the location is a major advantage. Poinsettia Heights is just minutes from Fort Lauderdale Beach, downtown, and some of the best shopping and dining in the area. The Galleria Mall is right nearby, and you'll also find a mix of local coffee shops, restaurants, and parks, all within a short drive or even a walk, depending on where you live in the neighborhood. Even with its central location, the neighborhood remains peaceful. It's a great option for those of you who want convenience without sacrificing a sense of community and privacy. In terms of real estate, homes in Poinsettia Heights typically range from 1,100 to around 1,800 square feet, with some newer construction properties exceeding over 4,000 square feet. The median home price in this area is currently around $950,000, but that varies based on the size, condition, and updates of each property. Another key point about this neighborhood is zoning. Unlike many areas in Fort Lauderdale that have seen rapid condo development, Poinsettia Heights remains primarily single-family homes. That helps maintain the overall feel of the community and makes it an attractive long-term investment. Poinsettia Heights is one of those neighborhoods in Fort Lauderdale that offers the best of both worlds. You know, the quiet residential streets like the one I'm on in close proximity to all of the city's best attractions. Whether you're looking for a home with historic character or a modern renovation in a well-established area, this could be a great option for you. If you want to look further into Poinsettia Heights or any neighborhood here in Fort Lauderdale, all of my contact details are in the description of this video. And if you're liking these neighborhood tours I'm doing for you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss another one. We'll see you in the next one.